Hello and welcome to Gaiachi Spiritual Awakening, episode 6, and I'm Leeann. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming videos. Today I'd like to give a few examples of grounding. People are struggling at this moment in time with all these codes flooding into our beautiful planet. So just a few. On my course I cover lots more, but grounding's more so that you're in the moment. So brilliant one for me is I love to go outside first thing in the morning, barefoot on the earth, and during the day if I get a chance. Another good one is just allowing yourself when you're under the shower just to be present in the moment and feel every droplet of water on your skin. Feel it flowing off of your body down the drain hole. Just feel all that energy coming from you and just being present in the moment. Like I said, there's lots and lots of different ways of doing this, and everyone finds their own way. There's no right way, there's no wrong way. Grounding is just about bringing you back in the present moment. So this is good for lots of things. When you're stressed, anxious, just the breath. Just take a moment just to breathe deeply in and then release it all out. Just be present. This for me, and like I said, this is personally everybody's own journey and what feels right for them. But for me, it just brings you back to the present moment in time. And after you've meditated or you've done any spiritual work, if you're just starting out and you're trying to find what's right for you, give them all a go. Nothing's right, nothing's wrong. It's what feels right for you. Remember, this is your own unique journey. So give a taste of all of them. A look around. There is lots more. Like I say, when I do my courses, I cover lots of different ones, and I encourage people to find what's right for them. I mean, I've always, after running a circle or something, cup of tea and a piece of chocolate. That's always another way just to bring you back in. So you can allow your energies to flow back through and allow your feet like firmly on the ground to make sure that all them energies are grounded in and you feel present and more alive. And it's really lovely. Like I say, if you're stressed out, is always a good one just to bring you back just to where you are. If you're anxious about going out as well, through this last few years, a lot of people have struggled with a lot of things that they might not have had beforehand. So there's a big thing like anxiety and that about going back out. You know, when we've been locked up for such a long time and limited to what we can do, and now everything's returning back to normal. So it can be like really overwhelming for people. So just before you go out, before you do anything, just center yourself in your heart space. Take some breaths in, nice and slow and gentle. This is not a race. This is something to be enjoyed and to be present. So, you know, if you are stepping out and you are struggling, just before you put your hand on that door, just take some nice deep breaths in, fill in your lungs, hold it for a moment, and then just gently breathe it all out. And if you're out and you're anxious around people, it's fine to take a moment. Just breathe in. These are quick ones that you can do when you're out and about. You can't necessarily jump in the shower when you're out shopping or take your feet off and land them on the grass. But your breath work you can, and that will just bring you straight back in. So if you imagine that breath just coming in, filling your chest, and then just letting it all out. Remember, that is just one moment in time, and just by taking that breath in, you can release it all. And that's anywhere. You've got your breath with you all the time. So like I say, just breathe it in and then let it all go. So that's the grounding. I mean, please get in contact if you want to know some more. Like I say, my courses, I cover a lot of different grounding techniques and that. And it's always about finding your own unique one, because it's not one size fits all. It's a personal journey. I also wanted to touch base on all the light codes that are coming in at the moment. I mean, quite a lot of people are struggling. I have mentioned this before. So it's really important to be grounded in this moment in time as well. But also for the last few years, quite a few years, I've been doing a lot of work at night and on my clients on DNA upgrading, and I don't question the work I do. I never have done. I'm just open and I just do what comes to me. I don't really sit there and go, why am I doing it? What's it for? I just know, it's a deep knowing inside that it's for humanity and the greater. So I've never felt the need to pull it apart or examine it, and that I've never been like that. My work I just do and I allow it to flow. So the last few nights I've been kept awake and I've had lots of downloads. I'm seeing lots of images as well. So I almost see like life at the moment when I look out, it's like I've got the present earthly moment with a very overlapsed of being a very high extension of myself. So, and they keep merging in and out, which is where humanity is at the moment as we're flipping in and out of the different energies that are flowing in. So I've also been working on a lot of DNA coding, and the last couple of nights I've been having lots of downloads for that. So I've been felt really drawn, or should I say kick up the bottom from beautiful energy, to come on and do a light language activation for DNA coding. So as they visualize this where we have, I've always been shown like two stems coming up and twirling around. And for the last few years, I've been helping a third one coming in. And I've just, like I've said, I just go with it. And I've been told that this activation is to help all of this settle within our bodies. So I hope you all feel some benefit of this. I will say, please be gentle on yourself for the next few days and make sure you drink lots of water so that it can integrate into your body and you can help release some of the anxiety, some of the stress and some of the headaches and everything that's been going with all these downloads. So please get in contact and let me know how you find the light language coding, because I'm really interested and love to hear people's feedback. And the last one, the feedbacks were really lovely. So please get in contact with me, as I would really like to hear your story. So if you get yourself comfortable, and I'll take you into the coding. So I want you to take a nice deep breath in and just relax your shoulders. And then I want you to let the breath out. And I want you to take another nice deep breath in. And then allow the breath to go out. I want you just to relax. And I want you to go to your heart center. I just want you to allow it to open and expand. And I want you to feel me place my heart in front of yours in pure unconditional love. And as I do this, it's more for comfort, peace, and bond. I just want you to concentrate on this beautiful merge of energy as the codes flow through. Kishkutoli tiki moloto lukiti taili kliklete kilite tekete koto kotoi kiti mokoto shkutole nete moto tili moto toiti mekete te kimosh kotoi ne te maite iti motushu liklete nete motoi ola tadai ne kete kete ketushto toine tenelite ketelete te molo toima lutu, tushtale tene te mutukutui. Kia kakai kikite. Kite ki tushtolore kine kite mata ine kite. Kikite tishtutui kiti mukutui te. Kite nukutui kite te meikite kiti kushkutotai. Eke mukukolekle te nikitiatai. Ekishkutoi te mulato. Kikite tukite tutu. Lutoi kite tunushkutoi te motokotoi te. Emoite. Emota heke ete natai. Ekite kututoi kite shkiteleklekle te tini mukutoi. Kinete poto kotoketi. Niana taiti. Ototoite. Kutoi. Kitikera. Kitikatotai kite. Tikte. Kinutushtoite. Chitilene tututoi. Nikiti tutushto. Chitilaitadino taitaitin moroto shtoloite. Chitishtu tolete. Mutotokitieneti. Okutoshtole blekleteneti. Motokitiata. Niaikeidin. Glutoiskitienata. Glutoi kitina katatai. Pututoi nikititushtukotoi kitimata. Ikitinotushkotoi kitinata. Titikatushkotoi nata nimukototain. Stui tatatai. Hukutoi kitinata kitim. Stui tatai. Tineutoititia. Kiti mulotoitis kitiata. Kiti. Ukotoele klemutai. Sitini mutus. Tuttini kitatai. Torite. Tene. Kushkudoite. Motokotoinite. Ai kitiata kiti. Torita lata tiamoto. Kititi shtikiti. Tik tuk toilekleti. Tik tiamoto kotoikite. Lakleti shkutia. Ikitia mukoko kota ikitina ta shkoto. You need to concentrate on your heart space. And as you do, feel this flow of energy from my heart to yours. As it flows out through your entire body. As it works with these beautiful codes to clear and upgrade all your DNA. Remember, be gentle on yourself for the next 3 days. Remember, come back and listen to this whenever it feels right for you. Make sure you drink plenty of water. And it's really important you take time for you. Allow yourself to adjust. And just allow yourself to be present for the next few moments. Just drift within this space and time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming episodes. Take care. Much love. Bye.